Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to enable or disable the guest network and how to easily manage it on your Deco X50. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the main page of our app TP-Deco. Now let's go to guest network and here we can enable it. As you guys can see, now it's created and we can also disable it like that. And now I'll show you how to easily manage it. So now enable it. Here you guys will be able to change the password or set a password. I do not have one because this network is for, let's say, workers. So now let's go here, and here we can change the security. So whenever we actually enter the password, we can go for WPA3 personal mixed with WPA2 for older devices. And here we can also change the bands from 5 GHz to only 2.4. It changes a lot, especially in the speeds and the ping, so you guys want to check that out. Here, duration, we can change it from 1 hour to always or automatic. Basically, it will turn off automatically if no device is connected in the time period of 10 minutes. So now what we can do is we can go to advanced and here enable or disable the bandwidth control. Basically, we will control the download and upload speeds for the network, and it's very cool whenever the network is created for a lot of people. I'm not talking about 10 but 100. And now here we also have the captive portal where you can easily enable it, and here we have the authentication time limit and redirect. Here we can customize the login page, and as you guys can see, we can do just that. Now here we can select the photo from library. Here, change the text. For example, I'll add some emojis, just like that. And now let's just leave. And here we can save it. Now let's leave. And that's basically what we can do with the network. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.